This tutorial displays the 3D features which are available on the PowerNut website. Throughout the website, there is a wide range of products that you can view in AR and 3D. The 3D models on the website can be useful to check out features of each machine from every angle and up close. The AR features enable viewing of the products in your own space and can help give a reference of scale in different environments. Navigate to the Product tab, and from here select the desired product. Follow the on-screen actions to move the product around in 3D. Pressing F will activate full screen. With the left mouse button held, you can now rotate the model. Selecting any of the numbered hotspots will bring up information regarding the feature. Using the scroll wheel, you can zoom in and out. Holding the right mouse button pans the view. The F key will exit full screen mode. There are lots of 3D models to utilize throughout the website, and these can be found on the product pages. Each model on the PowerNut website has AR functionality, meaning that you can see it in your own space using a mobile device. Once you have found your desired model, select the AR icon which appears in the bottom right of the 3D window. With a mobile device in hand, scan the QR code using your camera app to access the AR view. When you have scanned the QR code, a link should appear directing you towards the AR view. On your mobile device, search for the model you wish to see in your space. For this one, we're going to go with a biodigester. When choosing a model, make sure to have adequate space and a well-lit environment. For this example, we are operating in a small kitchen, which will only be fit for the smaller models. When a product has been selected, scroll down until you reach Mobile Users. Now select the green button. In the AR view, follow the on-screen instructions to display the model in your space.